Hello, and thanks for watching this Cloud9 ERP Solutions video and subscribing to our channels. In this video, we're going to talk about picking items from a shipment that are serialized. So the first thing we do is we scan the shipment number. Then we scan the location that we're going to be picking these items. Our pick ticket will tell us. Then we're going to scan the item code. And now we could just scan the serial numbers and not have to scan the item every time. And that's brand new. Used to be you'd have to scan the item, then the serial number, the item, the serial number. So this will make things a lot faster. Continue to stick with us on future videos. One thing we could do is all go to the community forums and request that just scanning the serial number and not the item would be a lot faster to improve performance. So just scanning the serial number should pull up the item also. Thanks so much for watching and liking this video. If you have any questions about this or anything else Acumatica, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and have a great day.